Whether it's a tickle in our throat or just a full-blown hack, our first instinct is usually just to swig some cough medicine. Doctors say it's important to remember that those meds really only treat the symptoms, not the cause. Dr. Alex Malone, an ear, nose, and throat specialist, says OTC cough meds, well, they may make you feel a little better in the short term, but if you have something like an infection, you need to go to the doctor to get some antibiotics to get actually better. Now, he says if you're in good health, see your doctor. If your cough isn't gone in 2 weeks, the doctor always says, while taking cough medicine is tempting, the best is to just try the mildest option first.
And so, drinking a hot tea if you're feeling well something that's very benign, that's not going to have a lot of negative consequences, where even though these drugs are over the counter, there's risks with them and other issues. So I think starting with kind of the least invasive type option is usually the best way to go.
Now, remember this if you have kids in your life, because the American Academy of Pediatrics says that you shouldn't use cough medicine for a child younger than 6. It says the potential harmful effects outweigh any relief it might bring.